strong star. Them look at the money I have in my account. That's so much bills. Just can't deal with it. Plus, the people them forget lunch money.
After tree taxi, after tree taxi.
Oh, weird. I wonder if we can run a little robot thing at halfway tree. A one trip and you know what? I'm going to try it. Yeah.
Half a tree. Do it now.
I'm gonna get some gasoline and come and see you.
Half a tree, mommy. You good?
I'm at the gas station now. Hold on, I have to come off the phone.
Yes. Half a tree.
Morning, sir. You're going to halfway tree?
You didn't even say half a tree. We're not coming to the camera and bag chatting.
Look here, nobody take out your morning sickness for me.
Half a tree. Half a tree. Oh, God, Jesus, what you know, no? Remember, no, if I'm asking, not we are family here.
Morning, driver.
Yes, good morning, officer. How can I help you?
Yes, I noticed that you are carrying some passengers. Are you operating a robot taxi?
No, officer. It's me and the family. You see, I'm a law-abiding citizen. You know? I'm just taking the family here down to Alpha Tree.
Oh, the family?
Yes, it's this one's birthday today, yes.
Okay. All right. Well, since you're carrying the family,
Yes.
let me just escort you to make sure you get there safely to Alpha Tree. Happy birthday, son. Okay? Good.
Thank you, officer.
Good.
Daddy is a nice officer.
Carry your family. The family just get bigger now.
What are the people want? Yes.
Okay then, family.
Yes.
Enjoy your day here.
Yes, officer.
Daddy, give me $2 grand and I'ma buy something. Give me the money quick now, man, before I make the police board now. Let come on.
All right, later, me buy something, bring on phone, yeah?
Daddy, remember by the time you reach on me, already asleep, you know. Remember about that dress that I'm going to tell you something like?
Oh, son. Remember my medication. Oh, thank you, my son. God bless you.
You have a nice family there, sir. You're a good family, man. Enjoy it, you hear?
Rob them